Think math.
The very same can just sit there when you stand it up, but it rolls away when you lay it on its side. Same can, so why so different? When it stands, the part touching the ground is the flat, round face. The flat base holds it steady, so even a push won't roll it. It just stays put. But when it lies down, the part touching the ground is the curved side. When a curved surface meets the ground, the slightest push sends it rolling. So, even for the same cylinder, which face touches the ground decides whether it rolls. Flat face down, it stays. Curved side down, it rolls. So just look at the face touching the ground. A curved surface touching means it rolls. A flat face touching means it stays still. How you place it decides whether it rolls. When a curved surface meets the ground, it rolls. A sip of math every day here at Think Math.